learning, distant learning, whatever you want to call it. Google Classroom, MS Teams, Edmodo, Remind 101, Zoom, Edgenuity, USA Test Prep, Study Island, Kahoot. All of it is unnecessary. I'd rather be back in my classroom than to deal with all this. How do you feel about online learning? How I feel about being 10 feet from my bed and I can't get in it? I call it torture. Set up password for the kids, set up a schedule for the kids, set up our schedule, have a virtual team meeting. Why? Y'all just come up with this stuff yesterday? I know half these kids don't got no internet. Almost all these kids don't got laptops. What kind of games y'all playing? If it's not a requirement, why the teachers required to do everything? That's why I require liquor. District is confused, kids are confused, parents are confused, teachers are confused. One thing we're not confused about is how confused we is. We got to manage student engagement. These students wasn't engaged in school. The teachers got to report to see if the kids are logged in. Some of them ain't never logging in. They're supposed to sit online and wait. This is our virtual learning plan. This is a major micromanagement plan. Teachers keep a bruise on their neck because the district always got their foot on it. They want us to record our lessons and submit them. Something is fishy. Sound like an observation to me. I ain't gonna let y'all stress me out.